Peekaboo. Your boy done. Working out again. Oh, man. Man, there's some big, I ain't gonna lie, there's some big ass dudes in my gym. I mean, I think every gym got their big ass dudes, you know, big swole folks. Oh, let me not be sexist. You know, big women out there too, swole women. Point is this, there's a lot of big freaking people out there. And it's a reminder, you know, there's always gonna be someone stronger than you, right? So, brings me back to be humble, be accepting of where I'm at, and know where my goals, where I want to be, which is Thousands Club, right? I ain't trying to be no 300, 250, you know, monster. Plus, that's like really hard for me since I'm only, here's Filthy Soul's reveal height. I'm only 5'5", so, you know, I ain't got much to work with on that. But, you know, I'm still getting mines in. So that's, and I'm still reaching the goals I want to reach, which is the good thing, the exceptional thing. And I'm going to still acquire a strength that probably a lot of people my height don't got. So, yeah. But shout out to everybody who is either working hard and building that muscle. And shout out to those people who are genetically gifted and taking advantage of that. I respect those people too. The folks who are genetically gifted and they ain't taking advantage, and I don't know, that could be up for interpretation. But it's like, come on, man. Like, you know, you got all that, make the best of it. But I'm just kind of going off. The gym was a great workout though. I did arms and back, killed it. Trying to get, like I said, trying to get my arms to 18 with a flex. So right now they sit a little under 17 inches. So I want 1 more inch on these bad boys. Bow, boom, bow. 1 more inch and then I'm good. I'm set with that. But yeah, so more protein, more carbs. I'll get there. But man, the physique I want, how do I put this, y'all? So first of all, in knowing your goals, right? When it comes to weightlifting or fitness, what do you want to look like? What muscles do you want developed, right? How much muscle percentage versus like fat percentage do you want on your body, right? Stuff like that is to be considered. So getting into the details right now, yes, I am focusing on the Thousands Club. I'm focusing on my big 3 lifts, being at 1,000 pounds or up. Personal strength goal that I had for a moment. So that's what I'm doing. And then after that, it's physicality goals. Okay, so once I reach the Thousands Club, then I'm going on to like what I want to sculpt my body to look like naturally. Let me say that one more time. Naturally. Natty. Okay? A lot of mofos out here using all them PEDs and enhancers and all that. You know, I don't want none of that. And if I did, I wouldn't know where to get it. So not even in my mind, right? Now, my physique goals, I wish I could explain it. But there was this dude in my gym lifting, putting in work, and he had the sculpted body that I want to have. I almost went up to him and started, you know, having that conversation, but he was in the zone. I was locked in, doing the footage and lifting, you know, so I didn't ask. But if I see him again, I'm gonna try to ask, you know, just ask like, hey man, what kind of work you put in? What's your regimen, you know, stuff like that. Or like, were you just born like this? Because let's be real, there are some people, and I know some of y'all who are viewing this video can relate to this. There are some people, not some, quite a bit of people who just got the right genetics, the combo genetics, you know, to make them look the way they look. Anyways, so it was a great lift. Time to get protein in me. I can feel my body calling for it. Y'all achieve your goals. Keep striving, man. Don't give up. You know, take a rest day. Take 3, 4, 5, whatever, but get back to it. Okay, get back to it. Because rest days are training too. Because, you know, if you keep just pushing your body, you know, it's just, you're gonna feel the impacts at some point. So take your rest. But overall, work hard towards the goals. Never let up. Stay on that Filthy Soul energy. And yeah, y'all, have a good Sunday. Peace.